Welcome. In this video I will show you how to zoom out on Windows. To zoom in and out of your Windows, you're gonna have to enter the Magnifier menu, and to enable Magnifier on your computer you have to hold down the Windows button and press plus. Then you can use the same key combination in order to zoom in on your laptop screen. So if you press Windows plus, once again you will zoom in. Now if you use Windows minus, you will zoom out. So using Windows plus and Windows minus, you can zoom in and out of your PC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.